Monolithic architecture is a software design approach where the entire application is constructed as a single unified unit. It combines different layers of the application, such as the user interface, business logic, and data access, into one tightly integrated system. This architecture simplifies deployment and management by having one single executable or package. In a monolithic architecture, the entire application is packaged and deployed as one indivisible unit. This means all components of the software are bundled together and released in one deployment package. This simplifies version control and deployment processes, as the application is treated as a single entity, especially common in systems using layered architecture that separate presentation, business logic, and data layers. Layered architecture divides the application into distinct layers, such as presentation, business logic, and data access. Each layer has its own specific role, which enhances maintainability and makes testing easier. Modular design further breaks the application into smaller, logically grouped modules or components. These modules communicate through clear interfaces, improving code organization and allowing parts of the application to be reused efficiently. In a monolithic system, there is typically a single centralized database accessed by all parts of the application. This centralization ensures data consistency and supports transactional integrity. Database management is simpler because the schema is consistent and backups are straightforward. The application layers are tightly coupled with the database, often making direct calls for efficient data access. Monolithic architecture is best suited for simpler projects with limited scope and scale. It enables rapid development and faster time to market, which is valuable when working with small teams that collaborate closely. Monoliths are also a good fit for applications that require strong consistency and tight coupling between components, or for environments where deployment infrastructure is limited. Here is a simple example demonstrating modular design in Python. The application is broken into modules like user module and order module. Each module defines specific functions, such as getting user information or creating orders. This separation allows the system to stay organized and maintainable while keeping each module focused on its responsibilities. Monolithic architecture offers several benefits. It simplifies the process of development and testing by keeping everything in one place. The performance is often better because different parts of the system communicate through local function calls within the same application. Deploying monoliths is easier since it involves a single package. It also ensures strong cohesion between different components of the application. There are challenges with monolithic architecture as the application grows in size and complexity. Scaling the application means replicating the entire system, rather than just parts that require more resources. Maintenance can become difficult with tightly coupled components, and even minor code changes require redeploying the entire application. The tight coupling can also slow down development when working with larger teams.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.